Hello everyone, I am Ankit Jakhotia, Chartered Accountant, and today's discussion is regarding taxation of non-residents under Indian income tax laws. As per Indian income tax law, for Indian residents, global income is taxable, whereas on the other hand, for non-residents, only Indian income is taxable. So first of all, we'll judge how to decide whether someone is Indian resident or not as per Indian Income Tax Act 1961. As per Income Tax Act 1961, a person is considered as resident if he resides in India for at least 182 days in the previous year, or at least 60 days in the previous year and 365 days in the last 4 previous years. So, if a person is resident as per this rule, his global income is taxable. Otherwise, for non-residents, only Indian income is charged to tax. Also, Section 6 of Income Tax Act says that if you went outside India for purpose of employment or as a member of crew of an Indian ship or for working abroad, then the first condition of 182 days will only be applicable on you. You cannot become a resident by residing in India for 60 days. You have to reside in India for a period of 182 days in order to become a resident. Indian income can be in form of salary for services rendered in India, income from a house property, rental income situated in India, income from business or profession set up in India, income from capital gain on sale of a property situated in India, or any other interest income from India. Such Indian incomes will be charged to tax for non-residents. The due date for filing return of income under Income Tax Act 1961 is 31st July, just like residents. It means the due date for filing return of income is same for residents as well as non-residents. Now the question arises whether a non-resident can take deductions under Chapter 6A, which includes sections like 80C for investment in life insurance and fixed deposits with bank. The answer is yes. These deductions are available for non-residents also. It means non-resident can also take advantage of Chapter 6A of Income Tax Act. Whether the income earned abroad is also taxable in India? The simple answer is no. Only Indian income is taxable. The abroad income is not taxable in India for non-residents. Also, the interest earned in NRE accounts is not taxable in India, although interest of NRO accounts will still be taxable in India. Now, what is NRE account and what is NRO account? Let's see. NRE account is an account of NRI which is used to transfer the foreign earnings to India, whereas NRO account is an account of NRI which is used for managing income from India. So both of these accounts are open for a non-resident, but the interest earned in a NRE account is not taxable, whereas interest of NRO account will be taxable in India. So to sum up, we can say that all the non-residents who are earning income from India above rupees 2,50,000 will be liable to file their return of income in India, pay taxes in India. The income can be in form of services rendered in India, rental income from house property in India, business and profession set up in India, capital gain on sale of any Indian asset, or any other income which is arising from India. If such income exceeds rupees 2,50,000, then such non-resident is covered under Indian Income Tax Act provisions and has to file his return of income. Also, the provisions for computing income tax for residents or non-residents is mostly same Majorly similar provisions are applicable to both residents or non-residents. Although there are some special tax rates and special provisions for non-resident, but that we'll discuss in a later video. For now, thank you so much for watching.